In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Logitech Onboard Memory Manager. So it's actually quite simple. First, go to Google or your browser of choice and type in Logitech Onboard Memory Manager. Once you've done this, one of the first websites should be this one, as you can see over here, which is support.logi.com, and it's an article from their official Logitech support website. Over here, you want to just click on the website, scroll down a bit, and then you'll see this onboard memory manager over here, and then under downloads here on the left. As you can see, it's available for both Windows 11 and 10, so just select if you have Windows 10, click over here. If you have Windows 11, click over here. Once you've done this, you just want to go over here and click download now. And as you can see, this will download the memory manager for you onto your computer. Then simply open this up, and then you will have to go through the entire installation process. So as you can see over here, I just opened it up, and then in here you'll have to connect your Logitech gear, and essentially you'll be able to use your onboard memory manager with your Logitech gear. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.